All right, today I'm gonna give you a few exercises where you can do at home and burn more fat, all right? Remember, it does not matter if you don't have a membership, a gym membership. This is nothing. You can't go to the gym. Great, no problem at all. I'm gonna show you a few workout where at home, 10 minutes, 15 minutes with a clean diet. You start eating clean, intermittent fasting, great. Keto, great. This is about calorie deficit. It's not about exercises. But if you do exercise, of course, you will accelerate the process. Remember, it's calorie deficit, not working out. If you work out, the only thing that's gonna be beneficial for you, it's your heart. Your organs will be more, will be stronger. Your brain, you will have more memory. That's gonna be great. You will be feeling younger, but it's not about losing weight. You wanna lose weight? The food you put in your mouth, that's what matters, all right? As I've said to all my friends who've seen me losing weight, it's intermittent fasting. You can start low and you go high. You can start doing 10 hours without eating. For example, you spend 6-7 hours sleeping, and after in the morning you take a cold shower in order to wake you up, make you feel strong, make you feel you got this desire to move the day. And what you do, you don't do breakfast. You spend 3 hours without eating. That's already 10 hours. Now you eat something small, all right? You fasting for 10 hours, that's great. You spend a week like that, trust me, the next week you will see changes in your heart, in your body, because you're losing weight, you're losing calorie, all right? And after a week, you go with the intermittent fasting 16.8. This is the big thing. In the long term, you start losing weight like I don't know, but you will lose weight really, really fast. If you do 2 months with the intermittent fasting, you will see that you are losing a lot of weight like me. Look, I used to be 240 pounds. You see this picture right here? I had 244 pounds. In this one, I only have 210 pounds. This is a big deal. It happens in a few months. 3-4 months, I believe. I lost nearly 40 pounds. How? Exercise, clean diet, intermittent fasting, all right? Okay, I'm gonna show you a few workouts you can do at home where you can accelerate, I repeat, accelerate the process of losing weight. So it doesn't matter if you have a gym membership, you can stay at home and still lose weight. I don't know how many times I can tell you that, guys. You can still lose weight at home only, all right? Look, this is it, only that, all right? Jumping jack. All right? If this is your first time, remember to subscribe right now. Okay, we're gonna go. All right? right? Burpees will accelerate the process of burning calories. You burn a lot of energy during burpees because it requires a lot of strength, and you put your heart very fast. Your heart rate goes through the roof. We're gonna do what mountain bikers. Another great stuff to burn calories, and also you work on your core, all right? You can gain great muscles in your abs. Your abs work really hard, you know, doing mountain bikers, all right? Let's go again with that, all right? All right, done.
Left minute.
All right, pretty good. This is what we call mountain bikers. Work really hard. That's one of the great exercise for your abs, your core. If you are a runner, great. All right, let's go again with jumping jack. Remember, this is your first time, subscribe, because I'll upload video every now and then. Show you how to be healthy, show you how to maintain a healthy life. If you are in your 40s, your 50s, you can look like 20s. All right, let's go. Look. Yeah. Whew. All right. All right. We're getting there. You do that every day. From Monday to Monday, every day. It's only 10 to 15 minutes. No big deal, not 1 hour at the gym. If you can go to the gym, great. That's great. You can go to the gym. All right. But let's say you have 2 jobs. You got kids and you cannot go to the gym. You have no excuse. Very nice, just like the one that I showed you earlier. Chicken breast, with, vegetables. It can be salmon as well. Sorry, it can be salmon. You cannot take too many, protein, because protein is fat. Yes, it is fat. Good for your health, but when you eat too much of that, it converts and it's stored right here in your handles, and you don't need that, right? I don't use protein shake for a simple reason. It's worthless. It's all about business. I don't trust that. All right? We're gonna do some burpees again. All right? Whew. Right? If this is your first time, go ahead, subscribe right now. We're done for today. Tomorrow is another day, but the struggle continues. Being healthy is a must. All right? Guys, thank you for watching. This is your friend Peter, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.